Hi, just a quick rundown from TIS of the library of certificate books that we have to fill in for obviously for compliance. We have the TIS 2901, which is a complete electrical installation certificate. The main thing with all our certificates to bear in mind is when you buy the book, you buy everything. You don't have to buy, as with some of our competitors, add-on books and other parts to it. That will come as a full certificate, so you can complete the job with just one pad. TIS 2903, same idea, fully complete, so you can do the full job with just one pad. TIS 2903 is a complete electrical condition report. And then finally the TIS 2906, which is a minor work certificate. Again, everything is included there to issue a certificate. Couple of new product areas on our certificate library is a TIS 2907, so that you don't have to buy a complete electrical installation certificate each time if all you're doing is fitting one circuit for an EVSE charger. Then much more cost effective for you, where you just buy a single circuit certificate book for EVSE applications. And then right at the end here, we have an EVSE test report. For those of you who don't have a recording tester that records all the results from an EVSE test, this will actually allow you to enter all of those voltages, currents and statuses actually manually in a certificate book. Again, TIS certificate pads, all ready available at your local electrical wholesaler. Thanks for watching.